call Zainab from class 12.
Ma'am, ma'am, blank recommend.
Your money and faith in a mathematical framework that is free of politics and human error. Good morning to one and all present here, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thanks to come here. I, Zainab from class 12. Today we are talking about the future of cryptocurrency in the global trades. Cryptocurrency has become a global phenomenon in recent years, but there is still very much to learn about it, from its technological particulars that are still unknown to the general public, to its impact on global economy is still unknown to pretty very much everyone. Traditional money versus crypto. Let's first compare to traditional money. Money serves as a medium of exchange, unit of value, a way to store value. Money as a medium of exchange was conceptualized to replace the barter system, where people exchange products they were able to make, like grains or vegetables, for different kind of products produced by other people. But it was hard to define the value of two different commodities. So money was invented as a common denominator. To a degree, cryptocurrency is already being used as a medium of exchange instead of traditional money. The advantage of crypto is that seller and buyer can avoid bank fee through direct crypto transaction. On the other hand, companies cannot be forced to accept crypto as is the case with official state tenders like dollars. Also, cryptocurrency can easily be exploited for illegal transaction, terrorism, or money laundering. Money can be used to store value too. You can save money and use it in the future. Recent developments. US government officials and the Biden administration have increasingly expressed interest in new regulation for cryptocurrency, especially in the domain of stablecoin. New regulation will probably include measures to protect investors and facilitate tracking crypto activity for taxing purposes. The future. Cryptocurrency is still a new financial phenomenon and a speculative investment with little history one can use to make prediction. Whatever people experts say, nobody really knows. Government will certainly try to get more hold of the situation either by imposing more rules or by developing their own state controlled cryptocurrency. If cryptocurrency is really something more than a transient phenomena, its company need to offer more than just get rich quick schemes. The quote Frederick Stem, a CFP with light water wealth management. If if you were to wake up one morning to find that crypto has been banned by the developed nation and it become worthless, would you be okay? No. So keep those investments small and never put them above any other important financial goal like long-term saving of paying of debt. Lastly, I would like to thanks for you listening me carefully